So we're here for another VIP date, and we're here with Carissa, who has created this incredible opportunity where people can actually upload review videos on Amazon and get paid for it. And there's all these misconceptions about how to get approved and how it works and how much you can make. And so she's created a course that's actually helped over 20,000 people, which is really impressive. So Carissa, today, what are you most excited for when you walk away from today?
To have another expert in the back end of my business and see all of the little missing pieces that I can optimize to hopefully have a better conversion rate.
Yeah, because you've grown, and so it's nice to have someone else just come behind with a few little details, and I'm excited to do it.
Correct, me too.
Let's do it.
Email list and just converting them on the front end. So I sent that email last night, less than a 0.1% click rate.
Yeah, what is your thought?
My thought is that's why this whole lead campaign, I have to convert them literally right away. Even editing emails, that's great and all, but truthfully, I don't know. Yeah.
That's why we're gonna re-record the videos. Because if you're changing the lead magnet, we will re-record the video that will talk about the new lead magnet.
Correct.
As if it's already created, so that when you use it, One thing that we can think about is what are those 10 reasons? Let's get 10 really strong reasons that we know, because it's gonna help us inform what we say in that video. All those people, they immediately download this thing, it goes to their email, but they're immediately going on that thank you page and they're like, huh?
Correct.
They just don't know what they don't know. And I'm just creating a really good transition and frame in that video that acknowledges what they just downloaded.
Well, they don't even technically know they're getting a freebie because the ad is literally the 80,000. Yeah.
Correct. I'm we just need
so if that video is doing so well, it needs to address how I've been able to make.
Yes, a little bit of credibility. That's the one that I feel we could make just a little bit longer. We just need to map out what do they need to know, and that's what we'll do after lunch with Fresh Food Brain.
Okay.
You can really tell which ones are doing better or worse, but this one is actually doing better, and I was dang, why are these off? Because it's actually getting what you want, and we need to be able to push the limits to see, can we maintain a 2.5 or a 3 at minimum to get to your 3,000 and 9,000 goal.
Yeah, I just normally look at cost per result.
I know.
So I've been looking at the wrong. Okay.
I know. I
didn't know it could take in, because I have the custom conversion set up and I have it equals 147.
Yeah.
I didn't know it takes into consideration the order bumps.
Mm-hmm. It is. Look. Okay, this is your epiphany. Are you ready? You're only going to see in the results column the specific one action that you're optimizing towards.
Correct.
You're not seeing all the other things that is attaching to the person that clicked on that ad. If they go directly to your Instagram, and if they do purchase on organic, or if they do go do a lead, or if they do something else, or initiate a checkout, you're only seeing that, which is why there are a few, because even just the 8 of those, I'm how did they get that one? But I'm if you got 8 of those at 167, if you do the math and you spent $745 but got 4,000, that's a really big deal.
Correct.
And so it's counting the total revenue. And you can see some are worse than others. It's over there counting. It's just your cost per purchase. And honestly, if you think about it, this actually mathematically makes sense to us in general, because the cost per purchase is lower. But what we didn't realize is $25 more actually meant 3x the ROAS. So you were using the right directional information, but there are times where people are doing some of the other things and increasing the cart value, and we're missing it. That is insane. That one's an 8, and that's in the last 30 days.
Okay, but I have it set as ad set budget, so there's no way to increase
the ad, correct. Which is why over a certain time period, I might say, okay, let's just pause the 2s. All right, so we are halfway through the day. What is one thing that you found from the first half of the day that you're ooh, that was a good tweak or adjustment that we're making?
It's just changing some of the verbiage on different offer pages that we have done to hopefully take some lengthy stuff and shorten it up to convert better on those different pages.
Yeah, because you have, right now, in my opinion, you have a good conversion rate with the order bump and the upsell and the downsell, and I feel it could convert even better. Correct. So just trying to figure out, because we actually have been working together and I've seen a lot of this stuff, but what I love is over time you have fresh perspective, and I just feel every step of your funnel you can always make better. So even our funnel, I feel every quarter we're okay, let's just look at it with fresh eyes, and so it's nice to clean it up a little bit. So I'm really excited for just some of the adjustments, even the order bump alone, just seeing if that helps too. Good. All right, so we're gonna go to lunch with the team, and then when we get back, you'll get to hear more from Meredith is here, by the way. Hey, Meredith. She's been helping us. We walked through an audit. So the whole first half of the day is always what are the little things we need to adjust. And then the second half of the day, we're going to make some videos. We're going to talk about emails. We're going to talk about ads, which is going to be great. All right, we're going to go fuel our brains, and we will see you soon. So when you are on your organic Instagram and you click your link, this is what happens. So Kajabi so there's two options I want you to do. I either want you to get rid of this and do the Kajabi link tree because they have their own little thing that's pre-created and you can just fill in your things and be good. Or I want you to do what we do, where when someone clicks links, it just shows them the 5 links. You could say, get the course, maximize with advanced, get the freebie. Like either do this or Kajabi, don't do this anymore.
Just to review the value thing that will be removed, the 0 upsells, that should be removed. And then this part here, even if it says like 0 monthly fees, you could leave this bullet. It says normally $11.82, but up here it says $2.97. So I just would make sure that messaging is clear.
Pay the most. You'll see which items are the highest commission so you don't waste time guessing. Get the list and start choosing winning products in minutes. Yes, add it for 19. That's so much cleaner than want to know exactly what's making me the most money? Add this quick win PDF to your order and top 5 Amazon product guides that earn me the highest commissions, including commission rates.
I never wrote this, so I don't care.
But do you see how much simpler like that is?
Yeah, that was my old ads lady.
Okay. This is your new ads lady coming in hot with some a little bit cleaner. That's the stuff I want to have in there. And then, yes, in fact, Amazon, someone asked me, but Carissa, Amazon doesn't pay for reviews. They don't pay for written. They do pay for video because you're taking your time, energy, and effort, and they have to compensate you for that.
So you believe it's not so much my targeting and my back end, it's this.
No, I think I said the same thing to Joe, and I can't guarantee I'm not perfect, but I told him, he thought we were going to spend time on his ads. I was like, I literally think it's your funnel, and it has been like life-changing. And I can't guarantee it.
I know.
But like this makes way more sense to me. This button on your link says October 7th and 8th.
Oh, solid. See, that's how much I pay attention. All right, I'll go change it right now. Like the only place I literally advertise my freebie is on ads.
So then we need to think about how can we create a lead magnet or something super value. Maybe it's this 10 things and replace what's on your Stan link with that instead of this. Like my dream would be you have your course at the top, your freebie for people who aren't ready, or freebie and then course, whatever order we want.
Course and freebie.
Yep. And then the only other thing would be occasionally, once you're back, if you're like, I do want to do a masterclass, because I still think that could go well, but you could add that in there. But I just want to make something for this organic, because like you always want to get people on your lead magnet that do find you organically. And they want to be able to come here. So I feel like this we just need to remove and instead just make the 10 reasons why making money on Amazon through review videos is better than any other online opportunity. You don't want to, but I'm like, if it is 1 hour or 2 of your time, and I watched your little Canva presentation, it's very short and simple, to the point. I'm like, I truly believe that one of 2 things happened. Either the timing was off for the last one, or that sabotage person really impacted things.
No, that was the first one.
Okay.
I didn't have anyone like that in the second one.
Then my next one would be,
and the first one,
truly,
conversion rate was better.
I've delivered the same challenge 15 times and they perform very differently. Just because from what you're wearing to how you sound to your energy to how you feel to time of year, like there's so many different variations where I'm like, I did the same thing and it didn't go as well, but the next time it kills it. For instance, Emily Davis, is that who you were messaging?
She the photography lady?
Yes.
Yes.
So she is having like her best she's ever done.
Yes.
And she implemented some stuff that we talked about at the thing. And it's like, she's actually selling the same thing, but her energy, her ideas, and it's just killing it. So I just don't want you to make a decision based on the last time. Because I saw your data of number 1 versus 2, nearly a 3 to nearly a 1, break even. I just feel like you do that consistently, and we have a different lead magnet on the front end of this. Getting leads doesn't matter if they're not buying, in my 100%. Opinion. All right, we had another amazing VIP day with Carissa, and my team was here to help Meredith. Hello. What was your favorite part of today when it comes to all things? Because Meredith, I didn't ever do an intro. So this is Meredith. She's our brand and creative lead at the company. So she helps think big picture strategy. I did watch you like actually edit a lead magnet today. But what was your overall favorite part today?
We have worked with Carissa before on another VIP day, and so it was fun to see kind of how she applied our feedback and then digging a little bit further into new feedback, because we're always learning, we're always growing, things can always be tweaked, and so it was fun to kind of elevate it to that next level.
Love it. The day flies by because we see what she's built and we just see all this opportunity and just trying to get it all out of our brain, so that not only does she have things that she did change today, but she also has a bunch of other things she wants to change later. And she even has, I think, a few like back pocket ideas of things she can try later as she continues to optimize. Because one of the things with ads and with a funnel and with what you're selling, you can always change one little thing and it really can make a big difference, but you're not going to know which piece is going to make a big difference until you do. So I think just having a plan was nice. So she actually made a lot of changes here, and then you've got a whole day, which I think is so smart. She's got a whole day tomorrow to like implement some stuff. So Carissa, what is your favorite thing that you're like really eager to see, like how it goes from today?
To actually like dive into the data that I had that was not converting to sales on the back end, to then make tweaks on that data today to hopefully increase overall conversions and sales, so that I get to help more people earn extra income from Amazon review videos, and they can start earning extra income from home.
Because they can. Like all they got to do is get the products, right? And then they do your process, your magic. And then they do the magic, and then they get approved. And then you had said earlier that some of the products you reviewed, you've gotten paid on even today. To this day. Yeah, so she has so many different pieces of her funnel going on. And so what we were able to do is look at which one is the biggest opportunity. And so we focused on that one. And what we decided was to kind of start over just a little bit, just to be able to say, okay, we have the data. And sometimes, I have things in my business and I'm like, this is obviously not working. But the only way you know what to change is when you see something. Because the thing is for Carissa, like you have other things that are working. So when something's not working, like you can see it so clearly. So Carissa, what is something that you feel like for even future people that come to do a VIP day, what's something that you got today that is like a valuable skill or something you could apply to really any business that you advertise?
Knowing in Meta Backend, not just looking at one specific metric, but actually looking at like the holistic data that is in Meta Backend, because at the end of the day, I can take knowing how to run ads in my current business into business coaching in the future, our Airbnbs, our short-term rentals. Like once you like have the skill set, you can bring that to any business and apply it.
I'm so proud of you. It was such a fun day. So legitimately, in all seriousness, Carissa has a way you can get paid for doing Amazon reviews because you're buying so much on Amazon every day. So we will link Carissa below this video.
And remember, you don't have to buy the product on Amazon as long as it's sold on Amazon.
That's right. So that was one of the cool things is there's so many products we are exposed to, whether it's our own or grandma's or Aunt Susan's or somebody else's. It's like if that product exists on Amazon, you can review it. And so that's even one of the things that we're talking about for her content, because it's just such a good program. So we'll link to it below. And it was a great VIP day. And now we're about to go have some Mexican food. It's gonna be great.
Off to supper.
Boom. Boom. We'll see you soon.